Crafts that make kids smile. Cardboard craft, painting nails, and handwriting tracing. Hi everybody! Today we're going to be learning about how we can use just plain old cardboard to make some crafts. I made a sentence line chart for practicing letters, and then I also made a nail painting cardboard just for people to practice doing their nails. And here's how it works. I have my daughters who like to paint nails all the time, and sometimes after painting my 10 fingers and toes, they still want to keep doing it. So this is just a fun way to keep their entertainment. And how it works is you just get a regular piece of cardboard. It's just plain cardboard here. I cut it off of a box, and then I drew the hands on, and then I drew them on with a permanent marker. And then after that, I applied some moving tape, some packing tape, just to the outside. You can see kind of the sheen of the actual packing tape here. I did 4 pieces of tape onto the hands. And then what they do is they just get their nail polish, and then they can practice painting onto the page or onto the cardboard, and they can change it up. Once it dries, all they have to do is use some nail polish remover, and what they can do is pick different colors. They can choose their favorite colors. They can make it rainbow colored, whatever works for them, and they can actually practice painting on the nail of the finger. It's really fun to do for them. It keeps them busy, and you don't have to use up yours or theirs with the nail polish and then having them removed. And how you remove that is just using nail polish remover, and you just put some on some cotton ball, get some here, and all you do is just remove it because the tape is acting as the base, so it's easily removed with the nail polish remover. So they can do it again, and they can change up the color and make it really fun for them to do over and over again without having to make a mess on your toes, their toes, and on the floor. So this is a fun way to do this. You can also do it with names, which is really fun to do. Here is the plain cardboard. What I did is I just drew some sentence spaces, and then I put a name over top, which again, you can cover this with packing tape, just like I did here. You can get another piece and put the packing tape over. Just make sure that the packing tape goes a little bit over the top one, just so there isn't any openings in this. And all you do is put that packing tape over, and you can do the whole thing. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. And then what you need here is some dry erase markers. Any color works, and they can practice their name using dry erase markers, and they get to practice writing both their uppercase letters, their lowercase letters, and you can also practice some cursive writing, which is kind of fun too. If they need to write Michaela in cursive, they could practice here and do it over and over again. And there you have it. You have your letters. I just did the Y shorter because I didn't put any tape below. But then when you're finished with this, you just take your tissue and take that dry erase marker off, and you can continue to use this similar to a dry erase board by just using packing tape and cardboard and a permanent marker. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. I hope your kids will paint lots of fingernails and also practice their letter writing, or maybe even spelling words, or their sight words on here, maybe even practice cursive writing. And enjoy your time together with your kids, and don't forget to be the reason that someone smiles today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Crafts that make kids smile.